What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose. These are some crazy markets today. I got a lot of questions on a quick trade that I did in Uber, so let me cover that. I was able to take about $5,000 out of Uber overnight. Let's get started. Big believer in common sense trading. Take a step back, look at the market, make some good decisions. SPX is in front of you. What do we have here? Down here is a new tool that doesn't even have a name. It's looking for big moves. So in this tool for the SPX, all I did was I asked it, hey, Mr. Tool, how many times has SPX moved 5% in one day? How many times has it done that? And in this example, I just went back 1 year just to kind of give you guys a glimpse of what's going on. But look at the rhythm of the market. These are all bars, right? This is 5% move in one day. It looks like it got pretty close back here. Here's where we start hitting these 5% moves. Down, up, down, down, up, down big, up, down. What would we expect to happen today? Probably going higher, right? So, it ain't brain surgery. We're just staying on top of the market. So once I see that big down day again, it feels like it's getting overdone. The Fed's coming in. Governments are coming in. Everyone's doing whatever they can to support the market. Now, have we hit a bottom? I don't know. I don't play those kind of games. But I do know that if we look back at the rhythm of the market, down days are followed by up days. Down days, there's two here. Up days. Down days, up days. So yesterday, another down day, taking out significant lows from 2017. That's when I turn and say, you know what? It's getting a little out of control here. We need to see a little bounce. We need to see a bounce, and that's exactly what we got today. So that's why yesterday, if I show you all the trades that I did, every single one of them is buy, 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 buy. Today, we get that bump. What do we do today? Sell. Cover those trades. We want to stay active in this environment. Trade around the edges. Use common sense. Don't chase. Market's up today? Let's not buy. That's the time we want to chill out. Let's see what kind of follow through we can get to the upside, because we're probably going to go down tomorrow. That's just how this market works. Market's not going to rally until we see some real improvement in the global pandemic. This tool, it's not just for options. Put whatever symbol you want right here. It'll tell you the movement. Now for ZB, because they're bonds, I couldn't do 5%. I had to do 2% because that's how much it moves. So there you go. It doesn't have to be so complicated. Find the rhythm of the market. Hope it helps. Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading.